Tutulong ang foundation ng bilyonaryong Aboitiz family na maiangat ang kabuhayan ng mga kababaihan na nasa conflict areas. Alamin kung papaano sa agenda report ng ating Mojo, Joan Manalo.
Transformation where we want to help equip underprivileged and vulnerable women with digital skills that, as we know, are very much needed in today's workforce and digital economies.
Ito ang pangarap ng Aboitiz Foundation para sa mga kababaihan sa bansa sa tulong ng programang Elevate AIDA. Kasama ang Office of the Presidential Advisor on Peace, Reconciliation and Unity o OPAPRU, layunin ng Elevate AIDA na mag-upscale ng mga kababaihan sa pamamagitan ng trainings on remote work, digital freelancing and entrepreneurship. Lahat ng ito nasa ilalim ng Artificial Intelligence Data Annotation.
Ito po yung mga stay-at-home nanays natin. Ito po yung mga women na gustong magtrabaho but they don't want to leave their families. They would like to continue to take care of their families. Many of them probably are, high school graduates or maybe not even, but continue to have that dream na paano ko ba pwede matulungan yung aking pamilya and how can I do better for my family and communities.
Ngayong araw, nilagdaan ng Aboitiz Foundation at OPAPRU ang Memorandum of Understanding para mas mapaigting pa ang Elevate AIDA program sa iba't ibang conflict-affected regions sa bansa. Kabilang na dito ang Cordillera Administrative Region, Bicol, Eastern Visayas, Zamboanga Peninsula, Davao Region, Caraga at ang Bangsamoro Autonomous Region of Muslim Mindanao. Strategically chosen daw ang mga lugar na ito. Ayon kay Presidential Advisor on Peace, Reconciliation and Unity Secretary Carlito Galvez Jr.
The Elevate AIDA project, collaborative effort between OPAPRU and Aboitiz Foundation, is designed to empower underprivileged women in conflict-affected and conflict-vulnerable areas by giving them training with artificial intelligence and data annotation. And we also provided them skills to make them productive.
Dagdag pa niya, isang paraan ang women empowerment para maitaguyod ang kapayapaan sa bansa.
The program is anchored on the principles that sustainable peace can be achieved when the residents in marginalized communities are equipped with the tools needed to achieve the economic sufficiency and empowerment. If you invest in women, we invest in peace.
Panawagan naman ni Philippine Commission on Women Chairperson Ermelita Valdeavilla, maipasok din sa mga LGU ang Elevate AIDA.
Naunan po natin na ang Elevate AIDA ay i-introduce sa mga local government units. Bakit po sa local government units? Kasi nandoon ang pangangailangan eh. May mandato po sila na tulungan talaga lalo na ang mga marginalized people.
May papel din daw ang business community sa pag-empower ng kababaihan sa bansa.
We will have to do campaigns and advocacy. We will have to get the business sector to recognize that it is your responsibility also to support the women to care for the children because they are reproducing the workers that's going to work in your companies in the future.
Dayon ng Elevate AIDA, matulungan ang 300,000 na kababaihan sa mga susunod na taon, hindi lang sa kanilang kabuhayan, kundi maging sa pangarap na makatulong sa pamilya at lipunan. Para sa agenda, Joan Manalo, Billionario News Channel.